300 longest increasing subsequence. This Java code defines a class named solution with a method lengthOfLIS that calculates the length of the longest increasing subsequence lis in an array of integers nums. The method uses dynamic programming and binary search to efficiently solve the problem. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how the code works. 1. The method lengthOfLIS takes an array of integers nums as input. 2. An array dp is created with the same length as nums. This array will be used to store the smallest tail of all increasing subsequences with length I plus 1 at index I. 3. A variable len is initialized to 0. This variable keeps track of the length of the longest increasing subsequence found so far. 4. The method then iterates over each number num in the input array nums. 5. For each num, the method performs a binary search on the dp array from index 0 to len to find the insertion point of num. The binary search returns the index I if num is found, or myInsertion point plus 1 if num is not found. 6. If the binary search returns a negative value, it means num is not present in the dp array, and the insertion point is calculated by negating the returned value and subtracting 1 I equals minus I plus 1. 7. The num is then placed at index I in the dp array. This step effectively updates the tail of the subsequence of length I plus 1, or creates a new subsequence of this length with num as the tail if it doesn't exist. 8. If the index I is equal to the current length of the longest subsequence, len, it means we have found a new subsequence that is longer than any we've found before, so we increment len by 1. 9. After iterating through all numbers in nums, the variable len holds the length of the longest increasing subsequence, which is returned as the result. The key to the efficiency of this algorithm is the combination of dynamic programming to store the tails of the increasing subsequences and binary search to quickly find the position to update the dp array. This results in a time complexity of O n log n, where n is the length of the input array nums.